Alright, so we have the wireless Xiaomi home security camera today, and I'll be doing the unboxing right now. So here's some looks of the packaging and the different sides if you want to know some more information. So wireless outdoor, it's IP66 dust and waterproof proven. Its video playback is 1080p and it's battery powered, so you can put it outside. This is what it says at the back here. It's made in China. Yeah, it says the resolution right here. Okay, and over here. So yeah, it says here 1080p infrared night vision. It's go to cloud storage, so it will be connected to a gateway, which then you can access and connect to via your phone, so you can see the real-time data. Or if someone decides to break into your house, it's PIR detection, so it detects human and animals. Okay, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. The packaging is a bit hard. Right. There we go. I just rip it open like this. Ready? Alright, okay. I have it now open. I'm gonna put the packaging away. Alright. I am going to try opening this. Okay, slowly coming out, I guess. Okay. It's kind of stuck. Okay, there we go. Have it open now. So this is the camera only. I don't have the gateway because I already bought it separately. So this is the piece which can be attached and you can place it on like a desk. This is the camera itself. Nice packaging. I think you just open it. Yeah, there's a thing here. Yeah, so you pull this, it's kind of sticky. Actually, no, you need to cut it. Wait a minute. There we go. There we go. Alright. Here's the Xiaomi camera. That's the protective film. That's what it looks like. Got the different parts. This is the back where I said you can put this in. So it's very simple. You just put it like this and then turn it around. Yeah, now it's golden. It can also be turned like this. It would be turned. So you can place it on a desk like this or something. Depends on how you want to use it. This is the speaker, so you can actually, through the app, you can speak to through to other family members or the bad guy that goes into a room or something. I don't know what that QR code is, but yeah. Let me take off the protective film. That's satisfying. This is what it looks like. Don't worry, it's not recording us. That's the PIR sensor, so don't actually go touch it because if it'll easily be scratched, so like minor scratches, but like minor scratches don't affect it in any way, but major do. That's the camera and the different parts, so just leave that part alone. In the box, you got the menu. You got this, the 3M double-sided tape to like stick on the wall. You also have this, extra accessories, equipment, I think. And then you have the charger, which you can easily just peel off, which I'm not actually going to do it. And lastly, you got the cord to charge the thing. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty much it in this packaging. Alright, let's move on to the specs and other information now.